Hey everybody, Mike Hagen here. Hey, I'm a photographer. I run a couple of companies. One of them is Visual Adventures, and the other is I'm the managing director of the Nikonians Academy. Profoto recently sent me a new lighting kit to test out, and this is the Profoto B1 TTL system. In other words, it works with the Nikon TTL camera system. I have today a Nikon D800 with the 24-70 lens, and then I've got the 500 watt second AirTTL lighting kit. The kit works by using this little module. It's called the Air Remote. It mounts here on the top of the camera just like the other Profoto Air remotes, except this one now works in TTL mode. So I want to turn it on here, show you how it works, and explain the general operation. I will point out though that the system is extremely easy to use. If you're a Nikon TTL user, you're going to understand it and figure out how to make it work very quickly. Alright, so I'm going to turn on the head here. There we go. And then I'll turn on the Air Remote right here. And the system works very simple. Basically you have 8 different channels. So in other words, you can control one of 8 different groups of lighting. So that means that there can be 8 different photographers in the same area working with their own lighting equipment. And then we have then we have groups A, B, and C. So if I click on the little A here, that allows me then to change the flash remotely. You know, so the flash can be separate from the camera by some significant difference. So here I'm changing the flash output in tenths of a stop increments. So the full distance that we can go is -2 to +2. And then we can adjust it incrementally in tenths of a stop. There we go. All right, so now it's set for 0.0, and that's a medium brightness exposure or a middle exposure. Now the cool thing about these packs is there's no batteries. The cool thing about these packs is there's no cords. They're battery operated, so you can take these just about anywhere you go. And the kit that Profoto sent me is called the Location Kit, and it ships in this backpack. So if I open up the backpack here, you'll see that there's space to store 2 different lights. So 2 different TTL heads. And then we've got the battery charger up here, and the batteries can fit in here as well. So this is a nice little backpack. It's constructed very well, just like any of the other high-end photo backpacks on the market. I've got one of the heads here, the other head here, and I just want to point out that the system is designed to work with all the Profoto lighting equipment. So as such, any of the Profoto soft boxes or octa boxes with the speed ring will mount just like you're used to. So works really well. Overall, I've used the kit now for about a day. I've only had about 1 day to use it. I'm in between trips internationally, so I took some photos of a soccer player outside, and it had just rained, so we had this nice reflection on the pavement. It was very easy to set up. 500 watt second heads means they've got a lot of power, and I was able to overpower the sun. I was able to do everything I would normally do with a TTL system. And you know, being that it's a TTL system, I didn't have to use my light meter. So I'm out in the field, I'm running quickly, and don't have to use my Sekonic handheld light meter to judge my exposures. So there you have it, the Profoto TTL system for the Nikon cameras. Thanks for watching.